Hello, my name is Adrienne Simpkins, and I have been a cleaning partner with Kleen for over a decade now. John Beckwith, the founder of Kleen, and I worked together on the first night cleaning for our very first customer. Kleen team has grown consistently year after year since 2010. Now, in 2022, I'm still here. I know the leadership of Kleen has a vision and focuses on long-term success for their cleaning partners and their families. Kleen strongly desires to give world-class, consistent service all across Canada to each customer. We are trained and certified with a recognized brand, and with great office support, Kleen partners are equipped to do what they do well, and that is shine. As cleaning partners, we are rewarded for a job well done, which can be hard to find in the world that we live in. So if you like to clean, I believe you would love to clean as a partner with Kleen. Come join our team.